Just one road to take. It's growing up over with green, so easy to drive on.
금요일인가 네가 만나 잘 펴날리 그 시간이 부른 날 너와 나 생각해봤어. 무슨 일일까? 아니 무슨 말을 할까? 아니 무슨 옷을 입을까? 그렇게 금요일이 왔어. 너의 발을 맞추려 할 때마다 넌 밖에 걷는 걸 느껴. Oh my mind. 말도 못한 채 네 옆에 서 있는 내가 널 안아볼 수 있다면 여기까지였던가 거길 가도 될런가.
These building stairs. Let's make a swift exit.
been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, 'cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, in it. 'Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. You said, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too. So I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you. See the sun in the shadow all my life, but I finally see the light. I give myself to you. I want to get this right. Haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too.
It's gonna come.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
언제나 함께 있었음 해. 모든 게 다 통하니까. Feels like daydreaming. 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부. 그 chemistry 이상 너와 다투. 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너. Yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해. 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐. Someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica. We don't need to see each other to know that we're on the same wavelength. Oh yeah, why can't just me tomorrow. 아직도 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어. 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어. My heart is beating for you. waiting 넌 헤매이고만 있어. I don't know what more to expect. 물론 아니야. 너는 난 알아. 너라는 말은 하고 싶지 않아 정말. 보러 갈게 바다 건너 난 널 모든 알게 말해줘. 알고 싶지 않아 또 나는 홀로. 우선 해보는 거야 나랑 YOLO. 난 너와 나란히 가서 주말에 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어. 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어. 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져. 너가 없으면 날 오케이 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길 오케이야. 맘을 다 부어주긴 좀 그래.
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. Your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Oh, do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Yeah, I see that biting your cherry lips, giving me a hint at an early exit. Can't believe, gotta pinch your cheek to know this isn't fantasy. Right, skip the chit chat cause that shit cheap. Doesn't matter either way cause I can hear a thing. Wanna get some air to breathe cause I can see I'm falling asleep. Your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me?
I'm starting to think there's something wrong with you. Nothing.
I'm eating rice.
I've eaten 12 rice, 4. I have to wait for you to have it. Because what if I finish first and I want more?
You will finish first because you're fat.
I'm gonna wait. Yo, why'd you say that to me? Why if I just put my toe in the video? Trigger warning. What do you think?
Really nice.
You have been rationing your mango. You have so many left.
I'm jealous.